Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying that the content can produce a shareable link. Open the app or file and sign in if needed. This prevents permission blocks later. Once you see the share or copy link option, tap it immediately. If there's an option to set link visibility, choose Anyone with Link to avoid access errors. Copy the link to your clipboard so it's ready for paste. Make sure notifications won't interrupt the next steps. With the link on your clipboard, switch to WhatsApp and open the conversation you want. Tap the text box and paste the link. WhatsApp will typically generate a preview automatically. Before sending, add context, one short sentence clarifying what the recipient will find, because previews don't always explain intent. If the preview fails, send the link and then a follow-up note. Once done, hit send. If you want wider reach, repeat this in status or broadcast lists using the same paste workflow. Finish by asking the recipient to confirm they can open the link. This prevents wasted back and forth. If WhatsApp doesn't generate a preview, try sending the link as a document or pasting it with a short message. Sometimes previews fail due to meta tags. If access needs to be limited afterward, change the link settings in the source app or revoke and create a new link. Troubleshooting tip: if recipients report access errors, check link permissions and resend after switching visibility to Anyone with Link.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.